Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to share your real-time location with friends and family using Google Maps on your Android phone. Whether you're coordinating meetups or ensuring safety, location sharing is a handy feature. Let's get started. 1. Open Google Maps, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Maps app. If you haven't already, sign into your Google account. 2. Access location sharing. Tap your profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen, select location sharing. 3. Choose duration, tap the blue share location button, decide how long you want to share your location. Options include 1 hour, 2 hours, or until you turn it off. 4. Select contacts, tap the profile of the person with whom you want to share your location. If prompted to grant access to your contacts, allow Google Maps. 5. Share your location, confirm your choice by tapping share. Your selected contact will receive a notification with your real-time location.